Morning, everyone. Happy New Year. This is Fred Cook. Welcome to my channel. And I'm going to be doing a replacement on the rear badge for my E53 X5 2004. Here, I'll flip around so you can see. Here's my E53. Good shape. I've had it for about 8 years. Take good care of it. But it's starting to show some of its cosmetic age. So I've done things like restore the headlights, which you can see. The mirrors, the tinting in the mirrors had come apart, so I actually found out how to take these apart and place the actual mirror inserts. They're heated, power, whatever. And then here's the thing I'm tackling today. The rear emblem is lost its color. So what I have here is what I'm going to use. Replacement emblem. Looked this up online. That was helpful. It's a little expensive because it's different size than most other emblems, and I bought it from the dealer because it's, you know, the enamel, so I wanted to go. I could have gone with probably a slightly different size Japanese, but it wouldn't have fit correctly. Couple of tools, electrical tape I'm going to put on the end of the screwdriver so I don't mar the surface. This is just to show the size. Lighter fluid to clean up the adhesive, because these have adhesive back as well as pin. So you need to clean up the one that you take off so that you have a clean surface to adhere to. So I'll be right back. So I put a little electrical tape on the end of my screwdriver. It's hard to see. Fold it over and make a flat surface that won't mar the finish of the paint here. And I'm going to remove this. So you just get in here gently behind it. I want to put the camera down. Yeah, that was stuck on there pretty well. A couple pries. The glue releases. You can see it comes right off. And you can see it's got an adhesive backing on here. Here's the part numbers. And it's got 2 pins. So I'm going to clean the area with lighter fluid on a little piece of paper towel. If you don't have lighter fluid, you can use any cleaner. Lighter fluid is just good for removing adhesive from anything, so I thought it'd be good for this application. So I applied some to the towel. Here's the area. You can see there's a bunch of adhesive, and I'm going to remove that. And as you can see, nice clean surface. I'm going to go over it a little bit more and then apply the new one. Here's the package. The new piece came in. Here it is, so you can see the part number. You see there's a backing here there's an applied adhesive. It's nice enamel. Bought it right from a BMW dealer, but bought it online because it was cheaper. I didn't have to drive to my local BMW dealer to look for it or order it. Since this car is getting a little older, it might be a little bit, you know, have to be an ordered part. But I'm just going to peel this. Nice adhesive strip. Nice clean surface that I prepared. Line up the pinholes. And there you have it. Placing that badge really makes a big difference, and literally took like 2 minutes. Came off, cleaned it, put the new one on. Thank you. Welcome back, YouTubers. I talked about putting some tape on the end of the screwdriver so I didn't mar the surface, and look what I ended up doing. I put a little tiny nick in there. I can just pick it up on the right here. And that's because the adhesive was really kind of sticking, and so I pressed a little harder to pull it out, and the tape was falling off the end of the screwdriver, and I put a nick in it. Now, nobody's probably ever going to see that, but of course it bothers me because I was trying to keep from doing that. But there's the replacement, and I just wanted to show as well the size of this thing. It's just under 3 inches. It's hard to see here, you know, on tape, but it's probably 2 and 7/8. But go by the part number. Like I said, if you're ordering one of these, it's not your normal size badge. I have the part number down here on the bag. That's the BMW part number. So order that, you know, because that's the right size for this back thing. And like I said, it's the enamel original OEM. Thanks. If you like, any comments below are welcome, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks. Talk to you soon.